In this video, we're going to talk about editing spatial video inside the Apple Vision Pro with SpatialCut.
So basically, this is SpatialCut. It's where spatial videos are made. We're actually the first ever spatial video editing platform on the Apple Vision Pro. And we're basically going to revolutionize the editing process, how stories are being told, and everything around that. So yeah, we're really excited about it. We're in beta right now, which is open. And we're allowing beta testers in every single day, and they're absolutely loving the product. Still a little bit of like kinks that we need to fix out, but we're really excited about the space for sure.
Oh, yeah, what kind of material are you editing, and
No.
what's kind of unique about this as a video editor?
Okay, yes, for sure. So even in WWDC, Canon and Blackmagic just released their new stereoscopic cameras. So there's a lot of investment that are going into this. And if you're not actually a professional filmmaker or VR filmmaker, you can even just use your phone. So the new iPhone 15s actually have spatial cameras to it. And basically a spatial camera is just a camera that has two lenses, a left and a right, and you can basically start recording. But the thing with those type of videos is a whole different type of codec. It's a whole different type of medium. So think about when we went from like analog and film to like digital, from digital, now we're going to stereoscopic and spatial. And so our editing platform basically allows you to edit those special spatial video type files and be able to also add spatial effects into those as well. So you can even see this on this video. I don't know if I can see that, but then you can deliver your content to where your client or consumer or even your family, if they want to see it. And a lot of the times when people talk, when they see a spatial video, they're like, it's better than them actually being there. It's like looking into this like vivid dream or this past memory and reliving this moment. And so that's what we're super excited about, and empowering creators and filmmakers to basically create these types of movies. So, yeah.
Right. And so when you're editing and working in the app, you're seeing the video as spatial video?
Yes, you're seeing the video as spatial videos. And we want to even take that farther, right? So there's normal rectangle videos, but then there's also the 180, and there's also the 360. And even on top of that, there's the volumetric videos. So we want to actually allow our editing platform to do all those different types of standards on our platform, and super and easy.
So right now, are you just focusing on like the MVHVC type format?
Yes. So we're only focused on the MVHVC format. And what that means is just a multi-view, but a normal iPhone format, right? But there's going to be other cameras and other formats that are coming out. But our platform will be able to recognize all those different formats and then standardize that to the specific export that you want. So you can have a Quest export as well too, and also the normal spatial tagging export for iPhones and Vision Pros, right? So.
And can you convert if you have 2D assets or non-spatial video? Can you work with that?
Yes, we can actually work with your 2D videos. We actually built an AI model that does depth analysis map on those videos and takes every single frame, does a depth map on it, and then stitch your video back together. So then it's a stereoscopic video. And we actually have that in our platform as well. It's just a feature.
Awesome. And then do you have to do that in an Apple Vision Pro, or is there like a desktop version or some other way to work?
So right now you can only do it with the Apple Vision Pro, but we are going to be releasing the desktop version in the next coming months or so, like Q4.
All right, awesome. And where can people kind of find out more and get
Yeah, if you want to find out more, all you got to go to is www.SpatialCut.com. And then you'll be able to join the beta and go through the beta guide, and then you'll have access to it.